Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks on Xbox. First, let's get started by enabling them. Command blocks are incredibly powerful tools for automating various tasks and creating amazing experiences in your Minecraft worlds. Before you even create your world, it's crucial to enable cheats in the world settings. Simply open your world settings, find the Activate Cheats option, and toggle it to on. This setting cannot be changed after the world is generated, so ensure it's correct from the start. Once cheats are enabled, obtaining a command block is straightforward. You cannot craft these special blocks in survival mode. Instead, open your chat window and type /give it s command block, then press enter. This will instantly place one command block into your inventory. Ensure you are in creative mode or have operator permissions. After receiving it, you can place the command block anywhere in your world, just like any other block. Now that you have your command block placed, it's time to configure it. Interact with the block to open its user interface. Here, you'll find several important settings. First, choose the block type: impulse, chain, or repeat. Impulse blocks execute once, chain blocks execute sequentially, and repeat blocks execute continuously. Next, decide if it's conditional or unconditional. Finally, set whether it needs redstone power or is always active. These options give you great control over its behavior. With your command block configured, the final step is to write your command. In the command input field, type the command you want the block to execute. Remember, all commands begin with a /. For example, /say hello world will make the game chat hello world. Always test your commands carefully to ensure they function exactly as intended. Experiment with different commands and settings to unlock the full potential of command blocks in your Minecraft adventures. Happy building!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.